the heat index is 102 in Alabama today. And I thought, what better in this extremely hot weather than to use our ghost pepper from our lovely ghost pepper plant. We have four of these, right? Yeah, okay. We have 4 of these. If you come in a little closer, you'll see that we have more little ghost peppers coming up. But they're so spicy that yeah, we have one ripe one. This is him. He's pretty small, but for what we're using him for today, I think he's gonna be perfect. He's got little spots on him, but that's okay. We live in imperfections here. They're what make us unique. So, if you don't know what a ghost pepper is, it's very spiced. It's from India. It was like the hottest pepper until like 2011, and then it was replaced by the Carolina Reaper, and then there's like another one now, but basically this is like 400 times hotter than Tabasco. So we're gonna be using this little guy to make salsa. You can't tell by all these ingredients. We have our thin and crispies for the final product. We have 6 tomatoes. We have basic 80-cent white vinegar, a lime, fresh cilantro, a white onion, salt, a little bit of parsley. I'm not really a fan of parsley. We'll see how that works out. Black pepper, fresh garlic clove, garlic mincer, measuring spoons, ghost pepper. We got a blender and we got a saucepan. The tomatoes had to be peeled and chopped, so I'm gonna do that. We're gonna chop some cilantro. Though the cilantro and the lime is not gonna go into the very end because I don't wanna like cook it in. I want it to be like a fresh flavor. And then I'm gonna chop this and mince this and chop this as well. And I'm gonna do that off camera, so see ya. Oh, that was harder than I thought it would be. How do I get it off?
Need a knife.
I don't have a knife. We are going to cook this on like a low heat, so I have this on for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to turn the heat off and let it continue to cook for another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to chuck it in the blender. I'm going to add my cilantro and my lime juice, and then I'm going to blend it. No. Not for doggos.
So do you think this is going to be like mild, or do you think it's going to blow our faces off?
I don't think it's going to be that bad. I really don't. I don't know. I put a little black pepper by accident. Okay.
Here we go.
All right. 1. Are we cheers?
Cheers.
So like.
Well, that's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's good.
It's definitely spicy.
Yeah, like when it's on your tongue, I don't really taste spicy, but then when it goes down your throat, it hurts a little bit.
You're right.
I think it's a good amount of spicy. Probably like obviously it's not buffalo sauce, but I'd say like a buffalo level spicy, maybe a little bit more.
I like that a lot.
I added a little bit of water when I was cooking to help just incorporate everything. It's not chunky for sure. I like my salsa very like homogeneous because I hate tomatoes and I don't like tomato texture, but I like tomato sauce. So that's why ours is like a little bit runnier. But if you were to do this yourself, you can definitely put it in the blender for less amount of time, use less water, that type of thing.
All right.
This is really good. You think it's gonna make us like go to the bathroom a lot?
Probably not. I think it'll be okay.
We have our first day of class tomorrow. I hope that.
It'll be okay. It's not that spicy.
Okay. So if you like this video, subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. Don't hit the notification bell because we're largely inconsistent. In case you can't tell. Goodbye, good beans.